In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix if you're having a trouble with your C drive is all the time it's completely filled for no reasons on your Windows 11 and how we can fix it. So this is happening for most of the users. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how we can fix it completely. So the first and foremost step is all about we have to go over here in the search. Now type here for disk cleanup and you have to click on this one and you have to select the local disk C and just go for OK. So it is going to calculate you some of your files and that's going to take you to this. And from here, you have to scroll it down and you'll be able to find it. So it is around 564 MB and click on cleanup system file over here, or you can just click on OK. So just delete the files from here. After the deleting the files, most probably like I said, it is going to free up some of your space from the C. But that is not enough. So next one is all about we have to go over here, search here for the settings. Then what you need to do is you have to click on the settings here. So once you get into the settings, we need to make a few changes inside the settings. That is, for most of the users, there is an issue with the storage which usually happens. So what we need to do is we have to go over here, and once you get into the settings, on the left side, what we need to do is we have to find something called over here. You have to go to the system. Now from here, you have to scroll it down called storage. And as you can see, these are some of the available things on a computer. And also we have something here called cleanup recommendation. First of all, make sure that the storage sensors turn it on and you have to click on cleanup recommendations. So this is going to calculate the temporary files, cache files and unwanted file that is completely allocated on your system right now, or even some of the files that has been not using much. For example, downloads and recycle bins. So just put a check on all these things. Try cleaning up over here. For most of the case, this might be having a higher value. But for me, I recently did it, so that's why I'm having 205 MB. But to the users who are trying this for the first time, they might be having at least 10 or 12 GB or something they can free up and they can try this. After trying this, still if you're facing the issue, then what you need to do is you have to check with one thing called, you have to go over here, type here for a restore point here. Just wait and click on this one. So it's called restore point. And from here, what you need to do is you have to select the local disk C and click on the configure. That is going to take you to this. And from here, what you need to do is you have to select if you wanted to disable it. So what I'm saying is, this is not, I will delete all restore point for this drive here. You can delete it. But what I'm saying is you can do this, but most probably the first about 2 steps will be helping guys out. If that is not working, just go for delete all here. Then you can delete it and you can check. So these are the way, and most probably after trying this, and if you go back to local disk C, you can see from the 39 GB right now, the space is being freed up with 41.5. But even if I try a little bit, it's going to take a lot. So this is how we can fix it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.